Cattle futures were mixed in today's trade with live cattle lower and feeder cattle mostly higher. At the close, December live cattle futures slid $1.35, settling at $227.20. The next most active contract, February, lost 60 cents to $226.40. November feeder cattle futures, which expire next week, gained $2.02 to $337.67, but the more actively traded January contract gained 32 cents to $329.15. And over on the snout side, December Lean Hogs lost 42 cents, while the next three contract months all notched small gains. This morning's wholesale box beef report was firm. We saw choice cuts $3.10 higher to $380.42, and select cuts gaining 70 cents to $360.40. Yesterday's daily livestock summary from the USDA showed the 5-area average price for live steers at $228.70. That's steady with the prior day's report. And daily slaughter to start the week came in at 113,000 head. That's about 4,000 head more than last week, but in line with the same day last year. CME C-Vol for live cattle and feeder cattle got hit today. Live cattle C-Vol was down 155 to 22.76, and feeder cattle C-Vol down 154 to 24.34. Now, zooming out over the last year, these are both still at relatively elevated levels. Analysts will continue to keep a very close eye on the cash market, as well as potential headlines that may arise regarding screwworm or the administration's effort to lower beef prices for consumers.